2013's only a few days old, but already companies like Apple and Facebook are attracting plenty of attention. The Street's tech editor James Rogers says that investors should also keep an eye on some less well-known stocks this year.
There's some big trends this year. Big data, which refers to the management of vast quantities of unstructured data, is going to be huge. There's some big names in this space like EMC and IBM, but I think that investors should look out for some of the smaller names like Splunk. Topeka Capital Markets recently cited Splunk as its top small cap pick for the year, and there's a lot of things working in its favour. There've even been comparisons made between Splunk's momentum and the rise of VMware, which has done incredibly well. So I think this is one to keep an eye on for this year.
And what about the internet space?
Obviously, Google's going to be getting its share of headlines this year, but there's a lot of other companies that the investors should look out for as well. Priceline recently got a big upgrade from Bank of America Merrill Lynch, and this is going to be a big year for the company. You're looking at things like its Booking.com business, strength in international markets, recent acquisition of Kayak, and also, as I've spoke about before, its ability to exploit mobile devices. I think these trends all position it perfectly for 2013.
So those are some of the potential winners. Who's going to have a make or break year in 2013?
Well, we've talked before about Research in Motion, which obviously will be launching its critical BlackBerry 10 technology later this month. But I think this is also going to be a big year for HP as it continues on its turnaround strategy. CEO Meg Whitman has described 2013 as a fix and rebuild year for the company. And clearly, I think that there's a lot of pain for HP investors ahead. So, there's some good stories out there for 2013, but I think that there's going to be some tough tales as well.